Okay, so let's pair your light bulb. First, screw in your bulb into your light, lamp or wall. Make sure that the lamp is on or the switch is on. Go to the panel, swipe down, go to settings, advanced settings, put in your master code. Please remember to change that. Go to installation, devices, Z-Wave devices, add device. Include, it would automatically search for the device. Pick up the device. There we have it. Now it's retrieving information, initialized. So now you name the light, bedroom light, downstairs light, or you can name it a custom light, hallway light, family room light. Click add, and then that's it. You can swipe on the panel, go to select family room, turn it on. You can also dim by moving down the meter. Turn off the light remotely from the panel.